Hey ladies, so back with another workout video. So today I'm going to be doing a total body workout only using the cable machine. So I know a lot of you guys don't really understand how to use the cable machine. The cable machine can be a little bit intimidating because it has so many different attachments. You can put it up, you can put it down, and there's a lot of different workouts you can do on the cable machine. And I know a lot of people are very intimidated by it. So I'm going to show you step by step how to use it for a total body workout. I'm going to be showing you like which attachments to use for which exercise, pretty much everything you need to know. So you should be able to follow this full body workout, and you should be able to follow it step by step without any problems. That's what I'm hoping for to get with this with this video. But I'm all over the place, tongue tied. Anyway. So if you want to see this workouts, go ahead, keep on watching. Make sure to hit like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys after the workout. Wait, real quick, before I start this workout, I just want to give you guys an update. So I am launching my clothing line. I've been talking about launching this clothing line for a couple months, but I am definitely launching it March 8th, which happens to be my birthday. March 8th, I'll be turning, I'm not even telling y'all. Y'all just, if you see my other videos, you know how old I am. But, so, I'm gonna be launching that March 8th, so more information to come. But go ahead and follow us on Instagram at FitBeauty, and you can see the updates and know when we're launching and look at the products that we're gonna have. So, now, on to the workout.
Okay ladies, let's get this cable machine workout started. So for the first exercises, you're gonna find a short bar like so. You can actually use the longer bar as well, but for this one I'm just going to get the short bar because this is kind of what I prefer to use. As you can see, I am moving and adjusting the cable machine. So if you pull the red knobs on the side, you can either pull it up and down, and you can move it left and right. So depending on the exercise, your exercise is going to depend on how you place it. So for this one, we're going to place it all the way down, as low as it can go. You're going to grab the bar using the overhand grip, and as you can see, I'm squatting down and I'm pushing through my heels. Now for this exercise, it's going to want to pull you forward, and it's going to want you to go on your toes, but you have to use your balance to put all the weight in the heels of your feet. You're going to go down to about 90 degrees. You're going to come up just before you come all the way up. So you don't want to come all the way up. You kind of want to just do like a post squat, and you're going to be doing the exercise like so. So for this movement, you want to go a little heavier. So I think I have it on here maybe about 50 to 60 pounds. If you're a beginner, I would probably start at about 30 pounds. So this is a modified version of what we just did. This is called a cable front squat. So you, instead of holding the bar down, you're actually going to grab the bar, pull it up, and you're going to lock it in. Okay, so you want to lock it into your body, so you're not holding it up with your arms, you're actually holding it up with your legs. Then you're pretty much going to do the same movement. So this exercise, it kind of challenges your core a little bit more, because doing that, being that you're holding up the bar upright, you're using your core, your body strength to keep your body from going forward, so it engages the core a little bit more. Same thing, you want to go a little heavier. For this, about, for a beginner, start at about 30 pounds. But for this, you want to lean back just slightly on your heels. Okay, don't lean back too far because you will fall. So lean back slightly, but always make sure that you're pushing through the heels of your feet, okay, and not your toes. All right, so for this next exercise, this is a cable deadlift. So this is going to activate your hamstrings. So you're going to grab it. You can either do underhand or overhand for this one. For this particular exercise right now, I'm doing underhand, but you can grab it either way, underhand or overhand. What you're going to do is you're going to lean forward, pressing through the heels, stretching out those hamstrings, and you're going to come up and squeeze the glutes at the top. This is a great hamstring movement. So now we're moving to upper body movements with this particular attachment. So this exercise is a bent over row on the cable machine. So what you're going to do, you're going to pick your weight, you're going to lean forward, hinging at the hips. Then using the underhand grip, you're going to pull the bar into your belly button, okay? For this exercise, you want to keep the back straight and erect. You don't want to have a curved back. You want to keep that body really strong and erect. You want a flat tabletop back pretty much. And you pulling that bar right into your belly button, making sure to squeeze your back, okay? You should be squeezing your back as if you're trying to hold 2 quarters in the middle of your back, and you don't want those quarters to fall, okay? Now, the next exercise, moving on, is the, crap, I forgot what this exercise is called. Oh, it's a bicep curl. Bicep curl. This is just a simple bicep curl, okay? Pretty much the same as a dumbbell bicep curl. It is just on the cable machine. So this is a tricep extension on the cable machine. So as you can see, I'm keeping my elbows very close to my body. You can see my upper arm, my bicep part of my arm, I'm keeping it very straight. Okay, I'm not swinging it, I'm not moving it. The only part of my arm that I'm moving is my forearm, okay? And that's what you want to do. And you want to contract your triceps on the extension, okay? Keeping your bicep, your upper arm very, very stiff. Now this next exercise is a little tricky, okay? So this is a straight arm lat pull down. I think that's what it's called. But pretty much this is a back exercise, and you're pulling it down, but you're keeping your arm straight, okay? So if you do this exercise too heavy, you won't be able to keep your arm straight, and you're gonna want to bend your arm. So if you find yourself doing that, you're probably going a little too heavy. So you want to kind of lean forward slightly, hinging at the hips slightly, pulling it down, keeping your arm straight, and you're pulling it down right to your waist, okay? This exercise is a little tricky to explain, so I would say just do it until it feels right. If you have to record yourself to make sure you're doing it right, do that. But this is a great exercise for your upper back. So now I am adjusting the cables to do a chest exercise. So for this one, you want to put the cables at about 90 degrees, and you're actually going to change the attachments now. So this is a cable chest press. So what you're going to do, you're going to adjust your weight accordingly. I think right now I'm using about maybe 30 to 40 pounds. I didn't go too heavy. And then you see how I have one foot in front of me kind of balancing me, and then my other foot is behind me kind of stabilizing me. And I'm pushing forward, squeezing my chest, okay? You don't want to try to do this standing straight up, because first of all, that's not how you do it. Second of all, you're going to lose your balance. So you want to use that one foot to kind of balance you, okay? Then you're just squeezing your chest and contracting the chest. Also, make sure you keep your elbows high. Okay, now we're changing the attachments again. This is the rope attachment. So this next exercise, it's a little bit tricky. This is a glute and a hamstring exercise. So you want to go, like I said, you want to go a little heavier. Maybe for beginners about 30 pounds. You're going to put the rope through your legs. You're going to put them through your legs, and then you're going to grab it like so and come up and squeeze at the top. You want to go all the way forward, stretching out those hamstrings, come up and squeeze, and always remember to push through your heels. This is a great glute exercise and a great hamstring exercise. These are called cable pull-throughs, I think. You also want to do this movement slow and controlled. This is not a movement where you want to do fast. You really want to slow it down, focus on contracting and squeezing at the top. See, as you can see, I am balancing through my heels. I am going all the way through my legs, almost becoming parallel to the ground. Okay, so this exercise is another back exercise. These are called skull crushers. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the rope extension right to your forehead, and you're kind of opening up the rope extension at the top, squeezing your back, okay? So this is another great back move and a good shoulder move as well. You can't see my foot stands, but my foot stands, I have one foot in the front and one foot balancing me in the back, kind of similar to the other, the chest move that we did. So now we are changing the extensions again. These are ankle straps, so these are great for glute exercises. So you want to wrap these around your ankles. Most gyms won't have these. You have to buy these, I think, but you want to hook it up to your ankles and attach the extension to your ankle. You want to put the weight on about 10 to 20 pounds, depending on your level. You're going to lean forward almost parallel to the ground, keeping your legs straight. You're going to raise the leg up, contracting the glute at the top. Great glute movement. This is like one of the glute staples that I do to grow my glutes and keep my glutes nice and firm. So as you can see, my body, my back is almost parallel to the ground. I'm looking down where I should be looking down, raising my glute, squeezing at the top.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. The only thing that I just realized that I didn't do any shoulder movements, but you can do shoulder movements on the cable machine. I just forgot to do them. But every other muscle group I hit the legs, I hit the glutes, I hit the back, your biceps, your triceps. So pretty much that's a full body workout, okay guys? So go ahead and give this a try. If you do give this a try, let me know on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at DejaFitBeauty and let me know if this was helpful or not. Alright guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. I gotta go train some clients now. Gotta hit the clock. So I gotta go clock in and train. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.